In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-play Borderlands 3 between PlayStation 4 and PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This crossplay works for any version of PC of Borderlands 3, so both Steam and Epic Games. And what you have to do is, you and your PlayStation friend need to create a Shift ID. You can create a Shift ID over at the Gearbox Software website, so www.shift.gearboxsoftware.com. In this page, you can sign in using Steam or Epic Games or your PSN account, and you will need to sign up using your email, full name, create a password, etc. In this page, you will be able to create a Shift ID. We need the Shift ID to add our friends instead of our usual gamer tag or Steam or Epic Games name. When you add each other to the Shift ID on the Social tab, you will be able to invite each other to a game, and all you have to do is invite each other using this Shift ID you've created. I hope I was able to help you on how to cross-play Borderlands 3 between PlayStation 4 and PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.